Wait, I'll show you this piece. Here's my inspiration piece. Dang, that's pretty.
Okay, all right, anytime.
So Jeannie, I was really inspired by this piece that you own. And I wanted to do a hawk for my dad because a hawk represents my mom. So what I'm doing right now is I picked out a color of glass that represents the sky. And then I flame painted on copper a hawk. So it gave it some interesting details and colors that you don't just get by soldering the hawk image onto the glass.
Okay, so let's see that.
So my hawk image is over here. Here's my hawk image that we're going to put on the glass. And I did this by taking like a creme brulee torch, and this is a very fine copper that has a sticky back, and I turned the heat on, and you just go back and forth, and it's in the cooling process that you get the colors. The glass to be cut round so that we can make a circle and then add the hawk.
So if you've got a nice straight cut, you can use the running pliers. Okay, with your, that's right, fist. Good job. It just gives you more power and control. Great. Little ones like that, I would go ahead and score it, but then use the pliers.
Okay.
Okay, and the little screw goes away from you.
Oh, right. Use the other pliers.
Right. Okay, there you go. And let's do that 3 more times.
Woohoo! Screw away.
Okay, and if you're brave enough to go all the way around, you can.
Almost.
It's all right.
Almost brave enough.
Okay, so you're just going to continue all the way around until you make a circle. So now I see what you're doing is you've got a picture of your landscape that you're kind of using
As a guide.
And
I'm going to try and draw the landscape so that we can, out of this foiled copper, to put onto the glass. So we have something below where.
So next we're foiling all around the outside of the circle.
It's going to be awesome.
So now the trick is to take that overlay off without ripping its wings.
We're going to do it. So we put the hawk on, and we've put the mountain in the distance on, and now we're going to flux. Well, I fluxed, and now we're going to tin or solder around the outside edges.
Okay.
This is my dad's Father's Day gift, in case you're wondering.
Yay.
Okay.
So now we're doing the magical part. We're putting a copper patina over the solder, which she has cleaned. And then that'll match the copper overlay. And look how beautiful. Wow. So, any last words?
It's beautiful! So glad I came to Gomm Studios to do this.
Awesome. Okay, great job.
Thank you.